My poor little Hudson. He had these really bad when he was in my belly, and he's got him again. He sounds like a little mouse. Poor guy. Oh, don't make me laugh. He's so cute.